Friends, suppose steam is flowing in a pipeline and here pressure sensor is installed and this pressure sensor senses or measures the pressure. Pressure is sensed by a pressure sensor and control loom is far away from pressure sensor. So how can an operator and an engineer will know what is the exact pressure? Suppose a pressure sensor is installed in a steam pipeline and it is measuring some pressure and this pressure is 7.25 bar. We can take some other sensor also like a temperature sensor, level sensor or flow sensor. But we are taking the example of pressure sensor. Here it is measuring 7.25 bar. Control loom is far away located from this sensor. But how the operator sitting in a control loom will know the exact pressure? So for this we use pressure transmitter. Now we will discuss the transmitter working step by step. In transmitter working, the first step is sensor measurement. If we are using any transmitter, we will use a sensor along with that. A sensor is an instrument that measures that quantity. Here we are measuring the pressure, so we will use pressure sensor. Pressure sensor in the pipeline measures pressure. So sensor will used for measurement purpose. The second one is transmitter. Transmitter converts the measured value to a 4 to 20 milliampere standard signal or to some other standard signal. So this transmitter converts the measured value from sensor to a standard signal. Now this 4 to 20 milliampere standard signal is sent to control loom through the signal cable. We use cables to transmit the signal from transmitter to control loom. And in control loom, PLC DCS receives the signal and display the real-time value. Here PLC DCS system or SCADA system or HMI will display the real-time value. Real-time value means the pressure exactly measured by the sensor will be displayed in the control loom. So here the summary is the sensor measures pressure, transmitter converts it to a 4 to 20 milliampere signal or to some other standard signal. The signal is sent to control loom through the cable where the engineer or the operator sees the real-time value. Now we will understand it by using an example. So here we are taking the example of boiler pressure. Suppose boiler pressure is increasing and pressure increases up to 9.5 bar. We are taking just an example. This value may be any other value also. As the pressure increases, transmitter instantly sends signal and transmitter sends signal in the form of 4 to 20 milliampere signal. Here signal is received in the control system means PLC DCS and here we will get 9.5 bar and if alarm is set, that alarm will also come. Here high pressure alarm will also come if we have set the alarm at 9.5 bar. Now according to this signal, control system adjusts the control valve and control valve will start closing. When control valve will closed, the pressure will decrease and will become stable. Now the pressure will become 7.00 bar and accordingly this pressure will be shown on SCADA screen or in control loom screen. By this process remains safe and stable, pressure in normal range, system safe and process stable. So that was our video. For more instrumentation videos, subscribe to our channel today. Thanks for watching the video.